You want to know the smartest way to catch your enemies off guard? Easy. Let them believe they've already won. Make them think the game is over, like you're not even a threat anymore. That's how you move in silence. That's how you catch them slipping. See, when people think they've won, they relax. They stop paying attention. They get careless, because in their minds, you're no longer a problem. And that's when you strike, when they least expect it. But this isn't about brute force. It's about patience, timing. You gotta play the long game. Make them feel safe, in control. Smile when you see them. Give them a nod. Let them believe they got the last laugh. Then, when the moment is right, hit them where it hurts. It's not about making noise, it's about making moves. Keep your plans close, your enemies closer, and when the time comes, flip the script. That's how you win. Stay low, stay patient, and strike when they ain't looking.